Hello! So today I'm making jasmine green tea, and I'm using the Happy Belly jasmine green tea with strawberry Torani syrup and strawberry boba pearls. So I started by making my green tea, and I'm letting it steep. Next up, I'm going to take this tea and add ice to it to cool it down and start adding my ingredients. Alright, so now I have the cooled jasmine tea in a glass, and I've got a wide mouthed straw so I can suck in the boba. So I've got Torani syrup, strawberry, and I've got it with a plunger top, which makes it easier to add some in here. So you just give that a squeeze or two. You know, you could add more or less depending on how much sugar you like in things and what kind of flavor profile you like in things. And then trying to get this up without spilling things everywhere. You know, they have this nice simple plunger for the Torani syrup, but they still have this fairly messy process for the boba pearls. Anyway, put that over there. Bunch of yummy boba pearls. I can't turn this sideways to show you the brand, but it's the Mayde popping boba strawberry flavor. So I've got strawberry syrup and strawberry boba pearls. Give it a mix. Some people talk about using an actual mixing unit, but I think that they mix quite fine when you just stir it. Now you get all the flavors mixed together and you give it a taste. And that is quite nice. I like the fresh flavor of the tea and a little bit of flavoring with it. I love the boba pearls and the flavor they get. In this case I'm doing strawberry and strawberry, so it's all a congruous flavor. But you can certainly mix and match things and try all sorts of different combinations and try multiple syrups at a time. So let me know if you have any questions.